It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Hi, John. I can tell you, I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
Here are the lineups for today. Anything of note before we get underway, Jim?
Listen, this is all the ingredients of being a cracker. I just hope I haven't jinxed it by saying that.
Away we go then. Slides it through. It's an opportunity. That was a super ball in.
And there's no doubt about that. That ball through was class, and it really warranted a finish to match.
The flag stays down. That was too far.
Oh, that was such good defending. I thought the cross was good, but you have to commend the marking.
Caught him late, conceded a free kick in a dangerous position. Here's a ball in. Got it. Oh, took him out. Free kick given. And that was a late challenge that brings a yellow. There's just no one in support. Made good contact, but lacked accuracy.
That's wonderful work down the flank there, and a great ball in. I mean, this could prove effective for them.
It's cleared away. He plays it through. Loses out in a position of some promise. Tried to play it through. Driven in. It's led to a goal. It's 1-0. So we start again at 1-0.
Oh, they've done well to take the lead there, but they can't let their opponents back in. Have to stay focused.
Half-time is now upon us.
Yeah, I'm grateful for the goal we've had, but it's been a little bit devoid of goal-mouth action. Surely this has got to improve.